All right, here's an interesting question. It says I'm mixing this amount of sugar with another amount of sugar, and they want to know what the end concentration is. All these are molar, so that means moles per liter. So they're looking for concentration. Okay, well, formula for concentration is moles over volume. So if I can figure out the total number of moles of sugar I have, then I just divide it by the total volume. So let's look at each one. So let's call this, solution A, and this one's B. So let's look at A. So in A, they gave me a volume of 0.0200 liters. Notice I convert it to liters. And they gave me a concentration of 3.00 moles per liter. Now, looking at that formula, they're giving me concentration and volume, so I can find how many moles are in solution A. Okay, so to find moles, I'm going to have to move the volume to the other side, so multiply both sides by volume. So moles are going to be equal to C times V. So the concentration is 3.00 moles per liter, and the volume is 0.02. Is that right? I have to go over 3. Yeah. 0 liters. Liters cancel, so when I multiply those, I think I get 0.06 moles. And there could be some sig figs in there, but I'm not done yet, so I'll just leave it like that for now. And that's how many moles of sugar I have from solution A. So if I do B, the same thing, moles are going to be equal to C times V. Concentration of the second one is 4.18 moles per liter, and the volume is 0.030 liters. Liters cancel. So when I multiply that, it gives me calculator. So 4.18 times 0.03. So that gives me 0.1254 moles. And that's how many moles of sugar I have in solution B. So to figure out the concentration, I can just add those two. So the moles total in the solution would be equal to 0.06 plus 0.1254. So altogether that'll be 0.1854, I think. Yeah. So that's how many moles of sugar I have. And then to finish it off, I can use this formula. That moles is 0.1854. And then if I mix the volumes, I have 20 with this one and 30 with this one. So that'll be 50 milliliters altogether, or 0.0500 liters. So I'll divide that by 0.0500 liters. This top thing is moles. So my end result will be moles per liter. So I'm taking 0.1854, dividing it by 0.05. So that comes out to 3.708 moles per liter. Sig figs, 3, 3, 3, 3. So I have to go 3 sig figs. So 3.7, that would be 1 moles per liter, or molar, right there. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that question.